My name is Alex Colvin. I'm an Energy Solutions Advisor at Enbridge Gas. Savings by Design is a program by Enbridge Gas to help affordable housing providers build energy-efficient, accessible, and comfortable affordable housing across Ontario. We do this through an integrated design process workshop, as well as by offering incentives for affordable housing providers who build more energy-efficient buildings. The integrated design process workshop is an all-day exercise. It's meant to be very collaborative between our team of experts at Sustainable Buildings Canada and the project team to find solutions and to do a lot of problem solving to make a proposed project more energy efficient. The benefits of participating in Savings by Design are lower operating costs, reduced greenhouse gas emissions, and by building a more efficient building, more federal funding can be within reach because you're meeting the requirements for those funding streams. The first incentive that's available, aside from the free workshop, is a $7,500 incentive to cover the cost of the project team attending, because we would like the entire project team there. And then we offer up to $120,000 in incentives for completing a building that's 20% more efficient than the Ontario Building Code.
My name is Baron Meyerhofer. I'm the Director of Development for Ottawa Community Housing. Ottawa Community Housing is the second largest affordable housing provider in Ontario. We provide homes to 32,000 tenants. Okay, under our strategic plan, we have build and preserve. So preserving the 15,000 units we already have and building more to address the housing crisis that's out there now. I definitely recommend Savings by Design to anyone, including other housing providers. It's such a great resource with a bunch of experts.
I'm Dan Zakayev. I'm the Manager of Conservation and Sustainability at Ottawa Community Housing. The Savings by Design program is extremely important because the future buildings that we are adding to our portfolio can be increasing our GHG emissions. What's fantastic about the Savings by Design program is that it allows us to go much further than the building code. And in fact, it kind of shows you where the building code should be in the future if we're trying to build these high performance sustainable buildings.